Lapha nawubuke kahle hle sishishiswa amabomo nje ngani ngoba vele siseplazini. Lapha nawubuka Nkosi ukuthi ever since kwenteka le unrest kude lokuhamba kahle cishe onke lamatiko. Uyabona-ke ukuthi kwabona lama-MPs noma-ke laba bominister kube babantu labasicabangelako sive seMaswati. Njengoba kubonakala ukuthi bayehluleka vele ukuthi khulumisa izinto letithinta letinto njengalethi lengikhathi eParliament bayatigega. Yini bangagegeli iholo lwabo bathi hey speaker sesimane kumbe lokungenani tinyanga letimbili nathi sike singaholi thatha leti mali leti uhambe kuthenga le mithi yakatibhedlela. Ibhlungu kakhulu lento lentekayo kakhulu nangabe kusengake wagulelwa awukwati lokho and nangabe ugibela itindiza ngeke ukwati lokho. Letindiza igijima nalabantu bonke lobone abantwana kufakwe emahiya kwehliwa le kuphi la ubona kujatshulwe khona kuyanathwa kwentiwa lokho nalokho kubhlungu kakhulu lento le but vele satawushisha nawunake kahle hle.
Le ndzaba yaka-health ayihambi kahle and lembolesa itreke isikhathi and ibhlungu lento ngoba la Maswati nje nami including me nje silahlekelwa tinhlobo tethu ngendlela lengasikahle. Nake ngitibuta kuthi ngekhathi umvadlala ngemphefumulo walomunye umuntu kanye kuseta kwelizayo uyofika athi nje ezulwini ngale miphefumulo lelahleka unnecessary ngoba aMaswati ayathela enda konke kude lesingakwendi indlela letimali lesifaka ngayo uhulumende but
Lishonile inkosi. Siyabonga Nkosi ngathi alithuba Nkosi kule topic lemgcwa kanjena sive seMaswati. Mina Nkosi lengakubona Nkosi ngagulelwa ngumake 2021 wagula kwathiwa kumele abuye eSouth Africa. Athi ukuhlola kulomshina lesifundela sifubeni ifuna ukuthi kungene umshina bamfaka ikhamera bahlolela sifubeni. Sazama ngama connection lapha ku Phalela Fund. Abathi bayazama hawu laba labadiko basitshela bathi yenini uhulumende uyakuletha eSouth Africa. La kuletha khona ngeke bakwazi ukuthi bathathe letinye igula lethu kuye ngalapha. Wahlala umlomzala ekhaya sibathe siyaphatanisa sihlanganisa amaphilisi. Kwake ngcono siyasebenza sonke sihlanganisa amaphilisi ngicabanga laba labangasebenzi singabe benta kanjani bona. Kwahamba Nkosi kwase kusinga 2022 sabona ukuthi akusithi kuhlala sayinga khona ngala Jose. Sathwala enye surgery khona lapha kubo Midrand eNdiya lasitshela ukuthi imishini alinawo but lifuna abantu be-medical aid kuphela. Ngabangala ngathi hawu lo mshina leNdiya ngaba nawo private surgery kepha sinehulumende uthi lo mshina live lonke lingaka over million abantu kwangithusa kakhulu lokho Nkosi ngamangala ukuthi sisemva kakhulu vele sithi yinga samthatha umuntu omzala sayinga nayo khona ngalapha samfaka ethembisa esibhedlela basitshela bathi hawu sekulethi sekuthi nabangamsitha ngako sesizamile lena le ukuthi dawudiza abantu bamfaka bamhlole lapha lendlela la sifubeni kube kathi fole ukuthi kuyini ngicabanga ukuthi ngawasitakala lo mzala so vele kude Maswati lamaningi afile so la amele Phalela Fund lapha ukuthi amane asitakale abuye ngaSouth Africa lamanyende afile Maswati so lamile lapha elani lusizi ngisho lekangwane lusizi balathi inhliziyo letimbi labantu laba bathakathi nje abake ukuvelende bathakathi ngoba phela kubuyela umuntu afe ube ukhona lo ngakwenda usuka vuna inhliziyo lembe timo elifana lethi tifuna ukuthi babe welekhaya asithe sagila selihlwaye lakhe amaka kunenkinga ekhaya abuka ukuthi yini lekhona lapha ekhaya angeke kuphele abantu babe bangaka babe welekhaya abe ngabu consent nangabe kude kudle ekhaya wena umuntu kathi lekhaya kufanele usukumele eTulu ubuke ukuthi kude lento kudla la ekhaya kushona lapho kudla noma imali ngikhiphile manje ke kude Nkosi abantu baphelile eMaswati kude kumbe kuyabajabulisa lokufakwa la Maswati. Siyabonga Dlamini.
Editor, the condition in our hospitals, in our healthy facilities is so bad. On the 8th of May this year, I sent a friend, I would say a friend, just for the sake of, yeah. So she had to see the doctor. And the medication on the attached document were prescribed. To my utter surprise, not even one was available at the Mbabane Government Hospital. So I had to go around the editor buying this medication. And in some pharmacies, I couldn't get the medication. So the desperation pushed me Now, to those pharmacies, I would normally avoid because they are expensive. So one of these medication, yeah, I think it was about 270 from Clicks. So at the end of the day, I had to spend close to 700, if not more, in a single day to buy the medication. And still, I'm still going to pay at the hospital. Editor, I bought simple things such as a razor blade. Everything that is here. So you ask yourself, if the biggest hospital in the land, Babala government, cannot have this medication, what about the clinics there at Gilgali, Kapunga, Matanjeni, in those areas that are not accessible even for the vehicles transporting the medication? The situation, editor, is really bad. For me, it was easy, even though I was inconvenienced, because I had the car. So I could maneuver around, because some of the medication, I have to get it in Manzini. So I had to maneuver around, and also I'm working. So I had some few cents. And I think of Eswaz now, who have borrowed even the money for transportation just to see a doctor, and to be told to buy all this medication and had to spend close to 1,000. The situation is really bad.